What did we do, you fucking cunt?
Don't worry, I got it. I got you, okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
You have my did you delete it? Did you delete it?
No, I wouldn't.
Can I see the photo?
No, I'm not gonna.
It's our plates.
I got it.
I'm not gonna delete it. No.
I'm sorry you're a reactionary man.
I love you. Hey, guys,
I love
guys.
you.
No, go.
Fuck you. Nazi fuck.
He's mad. He's very mad. He's very mad. Very mad.
And you're a coward. That's why you took the picture.
You know what?
That's
No,
why
I'm
you
not
said
mad.
things. You said things. You turned around, and now you're a coward. Now you have no actions.
He's very mad.
Yeah.
Wait.
Don't worry, I got this, dude.
Why? You know
Why?
why?
Because why?
Because I came from 9/11 and I became a 9/11 baby, and I have a big,
There's not worth our time. Let's roll, bro.
yeah,
I'm
exactly.
sorry. America served 9/11. America trained the Mujahideen. Get fucked.
Hey, can I do an interview?
Take pictures if you can't talk.
Can I do an interview? Can you tell me what happened? Hold on. Can you tell me what happened? Or you don't want to? Or
What do you want me to say?
I didn't see the beginning of it.
Well, what do you want to see? CNN, what do you want to say?
Yeah.
I mean, like, look.
There's the cops. There's the cops right there. You want to tell them? Yeah, they are. There's the cops, man.
Brother, that's not the cops.
That's the cops. Dude.
That's not the cops.
Oh, that's the cops. 1BZ47. Fucking ass, man.